made it to the destination. It got my name on it. That means it's going home with me.
What up?
Ready to go. Easy. No cheese. You know the space gray. Vaughn, and you know this way you get that knowledge that you don't get in college. I done went on a little hiatus, but now I'm back. And I hope you ain't catch a heart attack. So today, I'm gonna teach you how I got the MacBook Pro for free. Right now, I got a little deal, and it ain't treating me well. So it need to go to hell, because if I keep using it, I know I'm gonna get sickle cell. I showed you how I got the iPhone 12 for free. Got them right here. And today, I'm gonna show you how I got the MacBook Pro for free. And I'm gonna walk you right through it. So I'm gonna show you step by step exactly what I'm doing. Last year, I used the Chase Ultimate Rewards points, but this year, I'm gonna use my Amex points because I had over 200,000 just sitting in the tank. Ain't doing nothing, so I gotta put them to use. Get a little MacBook Pro, cause my dog told me if I get me a little Macintosh, I'm gonna make more money than Chris Bosh. Okay, so right now I am in my American Express portal. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get the gift cards that I'm gonna use to purchase the MacBook. So right now they got a promotion on the gift card, so I'm able to purchase the gift card for less points than I usually would. I'm getting 20% off. There you go. You all good. Bam. I'm trying to. First, I'm gonna just get one gift card just so that I can make sure that I'm able to do this. Because if I'm not able to use these gift cards to purchase it, then I'll just get it through Chase. It says Apple for everything Apple gift card. You see that $500 for 47,059 points. Usually it's 58,824. Add the card. About to check out before I wreck out. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so I purchased my first $500 worth of Apple gift card, and it works. So now I'm about to purchase the rest. Bam, 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 dee, bam, bam. I need another 1,000 because I gotta get the 512 gigabyte. I ain't gonna get my phone already 256, so I can't even do that for the laptop. Gotta get a little bit more memory. There's a lot of stuff that I need to remember. Boom. So yeah, I already know the MacBook gonna change my life. I can feel it in the air. When you see that, check out. Alright, so I just purchased the gift cards. Now I'm on the Apple website and I'm gonna purchase the MacBook. And I'm gonna pick it up from the Apple Store. Right around the corner. I ain't gonna walk though.
I gotta be there for that.
You gotta be there. Okay. 13-inch. I don't really like laptops too big. Get the 512. Space Gray. MacBook. If you ain't got a MacBook, then you don't know how to cook. Check out review bag. They say $14.96. They got a finance option, but I don't need a finance. I like it delivery. I'm gonna pick it up. Altamont Mall. Oh, I ain't pick the time. 4:45. Y'all too much in the game. Oh, right there, you see that? $1,500. Pay with your Apple account balance. $1,500. Amount to apply. $14.96 and some change. Apply. With a couple cents to spare. Oh yeah, it's completed. Now in a couple hours, all I gotta do is pick it up. Then when I pick it up, I'm gonna show you a little bit something. I'll open up the box and show you what I got. Oh yeah, we on the road and we headed to a destination. At that destination, they got my MacBook in the box.
I'ma get no be so. Can you want capture my soul? I'ma get no be so. Make we one bolombo. Better bye.
So we made it to the destination. We at the mall. And we're about to have a ball. We only got 1 minute to spare. And we almost there.
Number 11. Yeah, I got you. Right inside or
not 5.
You're good. I figured it was close to 11. You walk right in here, they'll take care of you, okay?
I see a camera coming my way. Hi. Okay. You got her writing for me?
Yeah.
Is that all you think that's it?
Yeah.
You think that right here at the end of the table for me? I'll have to send notification, okay?
I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy. Like people own this.
People own it. You can get it for free.
So I could get this for free.
You can get it for free right now.
So
If you watch my last video, because they got the special going right now. You can get it for free. You gotta get some sign-up bonuses. It got my name on it.
yeah.
That means it's going home with me.
You did this all in one day.
All in one day.
Anything else, my man?
Now that's it.
Não é o Max.
Apple ID?
Esse Pro.
Yeah.
Isso, com 3 câmeras. Que cor? What up?
Ready to go. Thank you.
Easy.
Easy. Easy. No cheese. Got my MacBook for free. And I'm walking out the mall. I did it. And I made it home. Got the MacBook at the house. But I forgot the mouse. Ooh, ooh, nice and clean. Let me open them up. I'm gonna let you see what I got. Easy. Feel like a Monopoly box. Money inside. This thing gonna get me property, and then there ain't no stopping me. I'm gonna get some coins, and I'm just gonna vibe in the metaverse until they put me in a hearse. And I'm gonna break my family curse. Okay. You know the space gray. And now you know where I stay. You heard him. That's just the beginning. You see that? It's all mine. Yeah, it's about that time.
When I touch down, you better tap in.